Well, everybody, there it is. That is the new semi-solid state Renogy 120 amp hour battery, and I'm excited to get it installed here in the spring. It's my trailer right now, my little vintage trailer sitting in my garage. It's pretty tight in here, so it's going to be a springtime project that's going to be coming up. I've got to do an unboxing of my 40 amp Rover solar controller and PPT, and that's what I have under the seat as well. All my my nerve center is underneath my seat here. It's set up to go off-grid. I do not need power in this trailer. I have an inverter charger, 2000 watt, and we can get into that if you guys want. Like and subscribe to my channel, that would be great. I'm just new at this, but very passionate about the Renogy line, and it stood up for just about 3 years with not one issue in any of their products. So I'm continuing to invest in their products. I hope you do as well. I stand behind their product. So thanks for now, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.